Hello and welcome back to another episode here on The Richter Show. Now it's going to be a little bit different this time because I'm going to be reviewing a different place, which is a hearing aid, and it's called the Chattanooga Healthy Hearing. And right now I'm actually with the doctor herself though. And today I just got a checkup though. Can you explain a little bit more what it is that you do here?
Yeah, actually we diagnose and treat disorders of hearing, balance, and noise in the ears. We check ears for wax, clean it out if needed. We test hearing. We see babies through age 100. And if you need help with your hearing, we fit hearing aids.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for actually checking my hearing out, and I'll see you next time here, another episode on The Richter Show. See you next time. So I just got my ears checked, and I was clean. Surprisingly, I was actually clean. I thought I had a need to get a ear cleaning or something, but the doctor's actually very, very nice, and since it was clean, she actually said it was okay and I was good to go. And didn't charge me a thing though, but she seems very nice. The reception is very nice, and I would recommend anybody that's here in the Chattanooga area to come and get their ears checked. I mean, you do it at least once a year, and you can actually save yourself a bigger problem. All right, see you here on the next time. Goodbye.
Shout out to the host of the